Welcome back, and in this video I will do the fifth exercise, which is going to be even or odd. This is a pretty straightforward challenge. It's gonna be super easy and fun, so let's just start and read the instruction. Obviously, they need to they need from us to create a function that takes an integer as an argument and return even if the number is even and odd if for odd numbers. So they just start, as I said, it's gonna be super straightforward. Why? Because all we're going to use is an if statement. If the number is divisible by 2 and it's given me 0, because the remainder of even number, if we divided an even number by 2, the remainder is going to be 0. So this is what we're going to exactly do. We are going to check if this number is divisible by 0, then it's an even number, else it's an odd number. So as I said, like pretty straightforward. If the number that they gave us, how to check the remainder is to this module where it is this module, this percentage sign will give me the remainder. So I'm going to say if the remainder is equal, not assigned to, this is an equal sign. If I put two equals together, then I'm saying that if this value is equal in value to the other value, is equal to 0, then I'm going to return even. Then I'm going to put else statement that going to return odd. Okay, now let's check our program and test it. And here we go. Everything went very well. You've passed all the tests. Let's do an attempt. Here we go. Everything is going alright. Everything is fine. And we're done for this exercise. I hope you've enjoyed it.